This video I'm going to show you how to get started with Qwen3-Coder and Strudel. So Qwen3-Coder is a model from Qwen AI, and if you go to Qwen AI, it's here, and you can sign up and try Qwen Chat from this page if you want to, and when you get signed in, it looks something like this. And there's a bunch of really great models here. And the one that we're going to be using is the Qwen3-Coder, but we're going to use it not at the website here. We're going to use it through the CLI. And so once you get ready to get the CLI, you go to GitHub to Qwen Code, and if you scroll down, you'll see information about it. And what's going to happen after we set it up is we're going to get authenticated with Qwen AI, and that's going to give us access to these 2,000 free requests per day for right now. So this is a really great deal because that's quite a bit of usage. And so if you scroll down a bit, you can get the install code right here. And if you copy that and come over to wherever your terminal is and you paste that in, you can go ahead and get that installed. So the other thing we're going to use here is the Strudel MCP, and so the URL for it is right here. And once you navigate to this page, it gives you a little session ID that you're going to give to Qwen so that it will know how to call back to this page and put code into the editor down here. So once this is installed, then we'll go ahead and start Qwen up. So it looks like it is installed now. So let's go over here. Oh, there's one other thing we have to do before we start. If you go to your home directory on whatever system you're working on, you have to look for the Qwen.Qwen directory. And once you're inside of that, you're looking for a settings file called settings.json. And I'm also going to wipe out this OAuth credentials so that you can see how that works as well. But if you go into the settings with any text editor you want, then you can see that the entry to hook up the MCP Strudel server to Qwen looks something like this. It's pretty similar to a lot of other MCP server settings. So you need the MCP servers, then you need the name of the server, you need a URL field, and you need this address right here, which is going to be in the description of the video below. But this is the URL for the MCP server, the Strudel MCP server. So go ahead and set that up and get that edited, and then go back to wherever you're going to do your work, and then go ahead and issue Qwen and wait for it to come up. Okay, so there it is. So the first thing it does is it goes off to this place right here, this address right here. You can use this QR code, I think, or you can visit this URL if you need to get logged in. I already have an account there, so it just wants to confirm that I want to log in. And so I've already logged in, so it remembers me, and then it comes back over here. Okay, so then you can put that window down after you've logged in. And so if you don't have an account, then you're just going to sign up at Qwen.ai so that you can get logged into the Qwen CLI. So back to our Strudel page. Our Strudel page was right here. And we're going to need this session ID right here. But I can already see that there's an MCP server hooked up here. And you can just do Control-T to view it. And if you scroll back up, you can see all the stuff that it does. So you can get the currently playing code. You can get the status of the MCP. You can get the Strudel docs. And there's examples and a quick reference. There's a function called play code, which passes some code over there and then plays it. And then there's also a stop play. So the most important ones are play code, get currently playing code, and stop play. So let's see, can you, oh, here's the, let's give it the, no, that's not it. Let's go get this session ID, copy it, and come over here and paste that in so that it knows the session ID. Let's see if it knows what to do with it. So basically it has to pass that every time it sends some code or calls this page over here. So this is the way it knows which page to call. Okay, so now I'm not sure exactly what it's thinking about here. But the model we do get once we're logged in is Qwen3-Coder Plus, which is great. So yes, we're just waiting for something to happen, really. I'm ready anytime. I must have really confused it by just typing the session ID in there. Maybe it's off trying to do something with it. I'm going to hit escape. Okay, this, and tell it this is the session ID to use. Okay, maybe that'll make it easier. Great. Okay, I'll use this for any Strudel related interactions. Okay, can you play the code that's in the editor? Okay, so let's see if it just sends the play code. It should do it. And I'm going to allow this whenever anything comes from the Strudel editor. So it got the currently playing code, and then it's starting to play it. Good. All right, so the graphics here are pretty similar to Gemini CLI, and that's because this is a copy of, so they're pretty nice. I like them a little better than the Claude Code ones. So let's see if it can take the drums out. Can you remove the drums line or instrument? So got that just fine. All right, let's see. So can you put in some angle brackets and some sequences, whoops, in triangle instrument. It's not quite what I intended, but I think it's good. It's fine. All right, let's see. So can you, let's see if it can do that morphing thing. I would like to morph that composition by changing some of the parameters slightly. Can you do that for a few of them? Not super huge changes. Go ahead and play it. Let's see what it does. I did it. Really, yeah, pretty dark sounding, I'd say, right? It's That's real slow, whatever you did. Okay, so can you speed it back up? Morph it again. Let's see what it does. It is more energetic, yes, you're right. All right, let's see. What else should we do? Can you add some piano sequences or sequence to the to the stack? So I think we need to work on the kind of the matching consistency or whatever, but at least you get the idea. So this can also just play, different examples one after another as well too, just like Claude Code. So you can use it as kind of a DJ if you want as well. Okay.